So hello my dear friends, a very warm welcome to this YouTube channel. This is Learning with Ganesh, and today I am going to explain you see, previously I have explained parts of speeches. In their very first part is noun. So today we will discuss in an elaborate manner of what is noun. So we will see the details of noun. Actually, what is noun? Noun, you see, the definition of noun is it's a name of any particular person, particular place and particular thing. Suppose this is a pen. So pen is a noun. Ramesh is a boy. Ramesh is a boy. So here see, this is Ramesh. So this is noun because it's a name of a person. I live in Nagpur. So Nagpur is a name of the city, isn't it? So anybody's name, any person's name, any place's name, any material's name is just referred as noun. So noun is a name given to any particular place, particular person or a thing. Noun is divided into 5 parts. Again, noun is divided into 5 categories. So categories means what? First we will say proper noun. I will explain you what is proper noun. Then we have common noun. Then we have what is called collective noun. And we have material noun. And last we have abstract noun. See, noun is derived into 5 categories: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. If suppose if you have forgot what are the in what categories the noun is derived, so we can give one word trick, PCCMA. Please collect coins and make account. पैसा चुनिए और उसको गिन लीजिए, अकाउंट बनाइए. Please collect coins, make account, make an account. Okay. Please collect coins, make account. That's all. एक डायलॉग याद आ जाएगा, please collect coins, make account. That's all. So P stands for proper noun, C stands for common noun, again C stands for collective noun, M stands for material noun, A stands for abstract noun. Now we will dig out each part in a complete elaborate manner. See, first 2 things we will just do at a time. What is common noun and what is proper noun? Proper noun and common noun. These 2 we will do at a time. Okay. Now you see, Ashoka was a noble king. Ashoka was a noble king. Now you see, in this sentence we got 2 things. Ashoka is a name of a person, that is a proper noun. A king is a common noun. Why this is proper noun? Why this is common noun? So let me explain you in a more elaborate manner. King, anybody can be king. See, he is a boy. He is a boy. But if I say Ram is a boy, that means this boy, I am just talking to anybody. It is common to everyone, any person, any male person, it's common. It can be Ramesh, Mahesh, Mohan, Sham, whatever it is. But this boy, I am talking for a particular person. Ram is a boy. I am not talking about any other person. I am just talking any particular person, Ram. So here Ram is a proper noun because Ram is Ram. But boy is a common noun because boy is common to all anybody's name. Mahesh is a boy, isn't it? Ghansham is a boy. Jagdish is a boy. Similarly, I can say that honey, Honey, honey is a girl, isn't it? Honey is a proper noun because there are 7, 8 girls are there. 7, 8 girls are sitting in one place, and out of that 7, among 7 girls, 1 girl is Honey. So I am talking for that girl only. Honey is a good girl. But this girl is for all. Nitya is a girl, Sharanya is a girl, Alekhya is a girl, isn't it? So Rama is a girl. But anybody can be girl. But Honey is particularly one. All girls cannot be Honey. All girls cannot be Sharanya. All girls cannot be Nitya. Isn't it? So, it's a proper noun and it's a common noun. So, I think it's clear what is proper noun and what is common noun. Now, we will just jump to another. See, we will talk one more thing. Goat. Goat. What is goat? G-O-A-T, goat, cow, dog. These are all what noun? Proper noun or common noun? It's a common noun. Many dogs are there. Pomeranian, Alsatian, Doberman. Isn't it? If I put a name for my pet dog, the name will be a proper noun. Isn't it? Cow, so many cows are there. It's a common to all cows. Goat, so many goats are there. To all particular species, we have told goat. So, goat is a common noun. Goat can be of Indian goat, can be of Maharashtrian goat, can be of Nepali goat, can be of any state, any places goat. Goats may be different, but in general, they are all particular animals are referred as goat, lion, donkey, isn't it? So these are common noun. Now we will just go for collective noun. Okay, collective. C-O-L-L-E-C-T-I-V-E. What is collective noun? Collective, group. See, class. I am sitting in a class. But class, how many boys and girls, total how many students are there? Maybe 50. Out of that 30 boys, 20 girls, or 25 boys or 25 girls. But totally, togetherly, we say class. So in class, there are group of students. Isn't it? A crowd. So class, crowd. Many persons, if they gathered in a place, they are called crowd. Isn't it? Many persons are there, they can be called crowd. Now we can say army, you know, a group of soldiers. Army is also a group, isn't it? Bunch of keys. Our paas guchha hai, isn't it? In that key rings, several keys are there. So I can call it bunch of keys, isn't it? So means a single word where many things are there. Class is a group of students. Crowd, many persons gathered. Army, many armies are there, isn't it? So like that we can say fleet. What is fleet? Let me explain. What is F-L-E-E-T, fleet? A fleet is a single word, but a fleet means many ships with armed ship. If they are sailing, so the whole group of ships are called fleet, isn't it? So for a group, there is a single name, but single name consists of many, that particular species is called collective noun. Now we will jump to another word, that is collective noun. We have proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun. What is material? Material means Material means, suppose the ring is made up of gold. The ring is made of gold. तो gold एक material है क्योंकि gold से बना है सोना, isn't it? The chair is made up of wood. wood एक material है, ठीक है. Please give me a glass of water. Water material है. But you see one confusion. Glass of water, I told you, na? Glass is not a material noun. Why? But if that glass is container, then it is a material noun. But that material is made up of some material, steel, stainless steel or chrome. But simple glass, कांच, is not a material noun. Okay. So a container can be a material noun, but glass cannot be a material noun. So material means any material, anything is called material noun. Okay. Now abstract noun. It's very tough one. Abstract noun. Abstract noun means ABSTRACT. Abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Abstract noun which cannot be seen or which cannot be touched. Abstract noun एक ऐसी चीज है which cannot be seen. We cannot see that and we cannot touch that. For example, kindness. Kindness. This is just quality. We cannot see or we cannot touch kindness. Isn't it? Bravery. These are all abstract noun. So, these are all abstract noun. Now you can see beauty. Honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the abstract noun. Beautiful, beauty. Again, it's abstract noun, isn't it? So, this beauty is truth. We can also say beauty is truth. So they are abstract noun. Now we have some common noun which can be converted into abstract noun. Some proper noun can be converted into abstract noun. Some verbs can be converted into abstract noun. Just I will tell you how the verbs are common noun, another things, how they are converted into abstract noun. Generally in the school, we used to get this type of exercises that convert this into abstract noun. Kind ka kindness, like this, brave ka bravery, like that. So I will give you some few examples of abstract noun, how one is converted into abstract noun. So abstract noun can be derived as abstract quality. Quality means kindness, brightness, honesty, wisdom. These are all qualities. Kindness, brightness, honesty, wisdom. These are all qualitative abstract noun. So we have one more abstract noun is action. Action में भी abstract noun होता है, जैसे laughter, laugh का laughter होता है, ठीक है, laugh का laughter होता है. इसके बाद any movement. Action means any movement, कोई movement अगर होता है. फिर इसके बाद होता है state. Action स्टेट होता है, जैसे चाइल्डहुड, यूथ, बॉयहुड भी होता है, चाइल्डहुड, बॉयहुड. एक होता है स्लेवरी. सो दिस आर ऑल स्टेट्स में होता है. नाउ we will just see how one noun is changed into abstract noun. So that we will see. Now see how adjective can be converted into abstract noun. Okay, adjectives. What is adjective? किसी भी नाउन का गुण, ओके, उसको एडजेक्टिव बोलते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल ब्रेव, ब्रेव का क्या होगा? ब्रेवरी। काइंड का क्या होगा? काइंडनेस। हाई का क्या होगा? हाइट। ट्रू का ट्रूथ। सो ये एडजेक्टिव से एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन हम लोग बना सकते हैं। ओके, नाउ अब हम लोग देखते हैं कॉमन नाउन से एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं, कॉमन नाउन टू एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन। सो शैल आई रब दिस? कॉमन नाउन। नाउ कॉमन नाउन टू एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन, जैसे हीरो एक कॉमन नाउन है, किंग एक अनदर कॉमन नाउन है, ठीक है। मदर, चाइल्ड। हीरो का क्या होता है? हीरोइज्म। किंग का किंगडम। मदर का क्या होगा? क्या होगा? मदरहुड। चाइल्ड का चाइल्डहुड। एक फ्रेंड भी होता है, FRIEND, फ्रेंड, फ्रेंडशिप। तो इफ इन एग्जाम फ्रेंड का कॉमन नाउन का व्हाट विल बी द एक्सट्रैक्ट नाउन ऑफ फ्रेंड, so you have to simply write friendship. Okay, now we will see one more example how verbs can be convert into abstract noun. verbs को abstract noun में कैसे convert करते हैं, that we will see. verb ना, verb से abstract noun कैसे बनता है, पहले हम लिख लेते हैं admit. एडमिट, एडमिट का क्या होगा? एडमिशन। ठीक है, फिर इसके बाद एग्री, ये वर्ब है, एग्री का क्या होगा? एग्रीमेंट। ठीक है, ग्रो का क्या होगा? ग्रोथ। Now, can you tell me any one word? Think का क्या होगा? Thought. So, like this, one verb or common noun or anything we can convert into abstract noun by simple. There are some common rules are there. If you apply that rules, you will do that. Now, I'm giving you one what you called a sentence. Mr. Bose is the monitor of the class या of his class, जो भी हो, उसी को कंटिन्यू करते हैं. He is known for his kindness and he loves to eat mangoes. Okay, this is a single sentence. Mr. Bose is the monitor of the class. He is known for his kindness and he loves to eat. And he loves to eat mangoes. Okay, and he loves to eat mangoes. Now, write this sentence in your copy. there are different types of nouns are there. You just thoroughly watch. कमेंट बॉक्स में कौन सा नाउन है, इसमें कौन सा वर्ड कौन सा नाउन है, you just comment me in the comment box. Okay, so we will meet you with another grammar topic. Till then, bye.